Hello, wonderful viewers. You're welcome to your non-stop watch TV, Nebo TV. I am your host on today's episode, Obaseki. It's a new year, and like always, we are set to give you up-to-date news about happenings in and around the country. All you have to do is to subscribe and click on the subscription and the notification bell so as to get more updates on new episodes. And then on today's episode, I'll be giving reports on happenings in Edo State as the court admits more exhibits against Obaseki in an alleged forgery suit. The All Progressives Congress (APC) on Wednesday before a federal high court Abuja tendered two more documents to prove its allegation of certificate forgery against Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki. The two documents, which include a University of Ibadan degree certificate belonging to Dr. Emmanuel Balogun and a report by a forensic document examiner, Assistant Superintendent of Police (ASP) Mr. Raphael Owuzlibo, were admitted in evidence by the court after they were tendered through the lead counsel of the plaintiffs, Chief Akin Olujimi San. The first degree certificate in agricultural science tendered was awarded to Balogun in 1979, the same year with that of Obaseki, although the second document was awarded with a caveat following objectives to their admissibility raised by the first and second defendants in the suit. The APC and one of its chieftains, Mr. Williams Edobo, had dragged Obaseki, his party, the People's Democratic Party (PDP), and the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) to court seeking the disqualification of Obaseki in the September 19 governorship election over alleged forgery and perjury. The plaintiffs earlier at Tuesday's proceeding through a witness, Mr. Samuel Omale, INEC's legal officer, tendered Form EC9 completed and submitted to INEC in aid of its qualification for the last governorship poll in Edo State. Meanwhile, Balogun, during cross-examination on Wednesday, told the court that he had never seen the controversial degree certificate issued to Obaseki by the authorities of the University of Ibadan, while admitting further that he had never worked in the admission department of the University of Ibadan. Balogun answered that he would not be in a position to make comment on Obaseki's certificate. The APC witness, who tendered the original degree certificate issued to him by the University of Ibadan in 1979 to buttress the forgery allegation against Obaseki, informed the court that generally certificates are signed by the vice chancellors and registrars and that they always bear date. Responding to question on process of photocopying of a document, the witness said when the document to be photocopied is not properly placed in the machine, it is possible for some parts of the original not to be included in the photocopied document. If you do not scale it, some parts will be left out and it will not be a true reflection of the original document, he said. Absence discharged from the witness box. Attempt by the plaintiffs to call in their fourth witness was challenged by the first and second defendants on grounds that they had exhausted the number of days provided by the court for the plaintiffs to call their witnesses, ordering that by the court adjournment the previous day the plaintiffs were to choose their case and the first defendant was called upon to open its case. So viewers, this is where we'll draw the curtain on today's episode. We'll be giving you more updates on happenings around Edo State. Do well to stay tuned on Nebo TV. Subscribe and click on the notification bell so as to get more of our updates. I still remain your host, Obaseki, and from us at Nebo TV, it's a happy new year. Do well to stay safe. God bless you and God bless Nigeria.